everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we unboxing a Samsung portable SSD drive. So I got this primarily to store my games onto because my SSD and my Xbox is getting really full, and the extendable drives here, or extendable cards for the Xbox, are a little too pricey for the room that you're getting on it. I figured, you know what, let me look online some alternative solutions. So one I came across was this here. It was the Samsung SSD T7 external drive, and they said it has very good speeds. Even here on the box it says the transfer speeds up to a gig a second, or 1050 megabytes per second, and it supports USB 3.2, and in the box you get a USB-C and a USB-A. So pretty much they give you the cables you need to hook it up to whoever you're going to hook it up to, which in my case would be my Xbox. So I know from, like, even now, deleting a game and re-downloading it takes a little bit too much time, depending on your internet speed. So you could delete a game and take you like maybe 20-30 minutes to get the game back on the console, versus with this, I could just transfer it onto this and store it and hold it here and free up the Xbox, because I know that the Xbox won't play Xbox Series X games off an external drive, so it's best to just store it there. And from the speeds I saw online, the transfer speeds are like 5 minutes, maybe 10 at the most. So I can deal with that. So I'd figure, hey, let's go invest in SSD to make my life a little bit easier, so I can just store my games and have it there to always use and play, right? So with this one, I went to the store. There was 3 options and 3 colors as well. There's a 500 gigabyte, a 1 terabyte, and a 2 terabyte. I got here the 2 terabyte because I got it on sale at a really good price. Now they have it in black, blue, and red. I was trying to get the red. Honestly, I love red, as you can tell, but didn't have any red there available, and the sale was ending the next day, so I just got this, and I said whatever, it doesn't matter, blue is still a good color. So with that, all that being said, I'm gonna open this up and see what we get inside. Alright. Okay, let's see what I got here. It's a box in a box. Alright, so we open it up. This is the box that you will be getting. It looks something like this. Very simple. And of course, there's a box within a box here again. I'm gonna open it up again. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, so you have another box here. And within this box, of course, instructions, to which I am not going to be looking at. And then we have 2 sets of USB cables. As I said, the box comes with an A and a C cable, so that's good. And it supports USB 3.2, which is going to be the quicker speed, which is what you need for something like this. So I'm glad they included it. I know some expensive SSDs don't even give you the cables, which is ridiculous. And I assume in this top piece here, let me close this back. I assume this where the SSD is, I hope. Ah, there it is, look at that. That's what it looks like when you get the box. When you open it up, that's it. And it's housed in some type of like food tray, as you can tell. That's it, it pops right out, nice and easy. Let's get this out of the way, move this. So this is what the SSD looks like. It's very small, like it's tiny, it's crazy, it's so light. That is crazy. So this is what it looks like from this angle, there, back of it, and that's how razor thin it looks. And right there you see the USB cable, and of course the light to tell you, the transfer light, tell you things are actually moving to make sure it's actually working. So this is very thin, seems very durable and strong. I like SSDs because unlike conventional hard drives where you have the spinning disk and the pin, that thing seems to mess up over time and then you lose all your data. What I like about SSDs is that they don't have any moving parts. It's just RAM and, you know, just memory in there. That's good. No moving parts. So to me, that should be, to me, I should feel that's gonna last a bit longer, have more reliability and durability. Now, they also had 3 models of the same one I have here. They have the Shield, this one, which is the regular one, and they have the Touch. Now with the Shield, it has more padding and more like stuff around to protect it, hence the Shield. So it's more for if you drop it. If you're gonna take it with you to work or school, wherever you're taking it with you to a friend's house, should you drop it, you shouldn't have to worry about messing up the internal parts of the machine, of the device. That's what that's for. And also it gives you a bit more like encryption on it than this one does. And with the Touch, That's obviously more encryption because it has a fingerprint reader on it to actually unlock the thing. So I don't need any of that stuff because this is going to be stationary. I'm not going to be moving it, so I have no fear of dropping it. So I'm just going to put it next to my Xbox, hook it up, transfer my games back and forth, and be happy. So that's about it. It's just a simple unboxing today. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like if you were interested in picking one up. So my next video, I'm going to be doing transfer speeds because from what I saw online, they seem to be pretty quick, so I want to see for myself. So I'm going to be transferring a small, medium, and large game to see what the speeds are like and how it works. And when that's done, I'll put that video up for you guys to see for yourself. So in case you do want to go through it, and maybe you found it on sale, and you'd watch that video and you can say, oh, it's actually really quick, then yeah, go ahead and get it. I really recommend it regardless because those Xbox expandable memory drives are a little too much money for the price of what you're getting memory-wise, and I don't think it's right. Until that price comes down, I'm going to be doing stuff like this, which is just better for me. So I want to say thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you guys continue to come back and watch my videos. So until then, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.